Hey yo, what is up people? Welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And let's start this video without any further ado. And yeah, be sure to watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you guys skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can get a creator profile on Snapchat, because today's video is all about that. So follow these steps if you also want to get a creator profile on Snapchat. So the first thing on how you guys can get a creator profile on Snapchat is by creating Lens. So if you guys do not know what Lens is, I can just click on this icon over here. So everything you can see over here, like all this, Snapchat filter and stuff, these are all Lens of Snapchat. So we need to create Lens like this. Now, as you guys can go and explore, you can see all this lens over here. So you don't have to create a best lens, okay? Like you don't have to create the best of best lens. You just have to create a lens, and after creating 4 or 5 lenses, then Snapchat will automatically declare you as a creator on Snapchat, because you're creating lens for Snapchat. So you can be declared as creator in Snapchat, and after you are declared creator in Snapchat, then you can get the subscribe button as well. So that's one way to get creator profile on Snapchat. As you guys can see, if I want, I can just click on this lens, and after I click on this lens, I can go to his creator, and I can even subscribe to him. So he is a creator, as you guys can see, since I can subscribe to him right now. So that's basically it. If you create a lens, you can become a creator as well. So let me show you an example. As you guys can see, there's a creator section over here. So these are all the creator who create lens. So they are also declared as creator. So you need to create 4 or 5 lens, and you guys can be declared as a creator. Now it's pretty simple to create a lens, so you can just go to a YouTube video and learn how you guys can create a Snapchat lens. Just create 4 or 5 Snapchat lens and you will be declared as a creator. Now another way to get a creator profile on Snapchat is if you guys get a lot of views on your Snapchat story. So if you guys get like 30 or 40k views on your Snapchat story, then Snapchat will declare you as a creator and you will get a subscribe button. So that's basically how you guys can get a creator profile on Snapchat. The first way is to create lens. The second way is to get a lot of views on your story. So it could be any story you want. You can just post any random story on Snapchat, but it has to get more than 30 or 40k views, and you can be declared as a creator on Snapchat. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.